If you haven't bought this Macrame Wall Hanging Tapestry, you're missing out on some good design.
This is a perfect bohemian bedroom decoration for your home, which brings harmony and comfort. It has such an exquisite design and it brings such a natural color. It can go anywhere in your home: the living room, dining room, bedroom, playroom, coffee shop, restaurant. No matter where it goes, it'll look so good on the wall. It's made out of 100% natural cotton cord and it has a natural wooden stick. This tapestry is very durable and it's long lasting because it's made out of sturdy and premium quality natural material. I love that it's non-toxic and non-bleach, unlike most. This elegant design can go with any decor style: boho, farmhouse, natural wood, and more. It's also a perfect gift idea for birthdays, housewarming parties, baby showers, weddings, Mother's Day, Halloween, and more. It's brightened my room up and it's given it such a natural feel. I definitely recommend this product to anyone who's looking for a natural decor piece.
I've gotten so many compliments on my Macrame Wall Hanging Tapestry. I am so happy I finally bought it.